In today's topic, we will understand CSS icons and how we can use icons in a web page. So icons are nothing but small images. Um, we can use different icons like font awesome icons with a version 4 with a version 5, and also we have some icons from Bootstrap. We can search some icons from Google. So if you go to any website, let's take an example. I'm opening a page called something like ikea.com. So in IKEA, okay, if you go to a website and you can see some icons here like a message icon or the information icon or a close icon. So there are two ways to use this. One, you can use like a image. You can download some images into your local computer and you can use those images as we use like images, or we can use some font or some icons. So font or some icons, they are we have large number of icons. Okay, so we can say font awesome icons CDN, right? So what it gives us a URL like this. Okay, so if you go here, it is providing different kinds of version. I'm selecting 4 version from 4.6 4.7, which is a stable version which I was using. So if I select this version, we are getting some different kind of CDNs, right? So I can copy this element directly. I'm using a different font or some CSS as a absolute URL. So I'll go to my web page. I'll create a brand new page to explain icons. So in this, I'm going to insert a banner here like H1, welcome to my site, and before that I'm going to apply some icon. So for that, what I'm going to see here, I need to apply a style element, or here I'm using a link. So the link which I copied from the Google, I'm pasting it as a link element. So when you copy something there, it is actually a link. Okay, when you click on this, it is copying the link tag. So that particular link tag, I'm pasting it here. So it says href as the source, and you can see font awesome.css. Okay, now what is this integrity? We will see that in a future, and the cross origin. Now let's save this, and how I can use this in my page, right? So for that, we can use something like a, and you need to apply a class. So here I'm going to apply a class called fa hyphen. You can see that all fonts or classes are coming from the font awesome.css. Okay, now let's say if I'm saying something like Amazon. Now this icon is coming from this particular CSS. Save this, open the page. Now you can see that there is a Amazon awesome.css file. Okay, so this icon, we can use as many icons we need. So for example, I'm just pasting, I want a different image, something like fa hyphen. So you can see what is the icon you are looking for, the pen coffee symbol, right? You want to say some coffee symbol, you can select that and save this and go to the page and refresh. Okay, now here you can see a new coffee symbol is coming, right? So this, in this way, we can see we can use a different icons, right? So similarly, if you want a more number of icons, we get from the different version from 5.0 5.1. We have different whenever the version gets updated, that means the some styles or some icons are getting added, right? So this is how we can use icons from the font awesome. Okay, so thanks for watching.